Welcome back. So in this video we will see how to make front-end website using HTML as well as CSS. So this is my HTML file. I am adding HTML structure and giving the title how to make a website educator academy. So this is my channel. Subscribe this channel for more such video. So this is the CSS linked file. So I am adding the CSS linked file with HTML. So again I'm adding the div class name banner. Now I want to change some properties, so that's why margin 0, padding 0, and the font family is sans serif. Now I also change the banners class properties. Width is 100%, height is 1000 VH, and the background image is linear gradient, and the RGB is 0.75. Or again I'm using the RGB 0.75, and the URL that I want to change the image, so that's why I'm choosing the background. So this is all. Background size is cover all these changes. You can see the background has been added. So this is my banner class. Inside this banner div I want to add another div giving the class name navbar. So this is my navbar div. Inside this navbar div I want to add logo, so that's why I use image and paste the address of that logo and class name logo. So now I want to make some sections like home services, so that's why I use ul and ally. Inside this I want to make home, and then again I want to paste 5 times. So now I'm change. So first is home, second is bedroom, and the second is kitchen, and the third one is backyard. So this is my 5 sections. So now I want to change also the properties of navbar. So width is 85% and margin is auto, and the padding is 35 pixel and 0, and the display is flex, and the alignment atom is center, and justify content is space between. So I'll refresh Google Chrome. Now you can see logo as well as all the sections have been added. So I want to change also the logos property. So height is 80 pixels and the cursor is pointer. So when I point this, it will be pointed. And the nav bar is list style is none, and display inline block, and the margin is 0.20 pixels. So refresh, you can see home and all the services section has been added. So now I also want to change the ally and enter tags. The text decoration is none, and the color is for and the text transform is uppercase. So now refresh, you can see home, bedroom, all the tag. And then now I want to change some properties, so that's why content is, and the height is 100%, background is hash 009688, position is absolute, and the left is 0. So and the bottom is minus 10 pixels. So refresh and you can see all the text changes has been added. So here I want to change position relative. So now you can see height is 3 pixels and the width is also 100%. Now you can see when I move it will be cursor positions. So now I also change some navbar properties. So width is 100% as well as transition is 0.5 seconds. So when I move it will take 0.5 seconds. So again refresh, now you can see it will be moved. So again I also make some more divs so that it will look good. So and the class name is content, and the heading is I want to take design your dinner. So this is my class content, and the paragraph is subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get every updated videos. Now you can see it will be showing to you. So now I want to change some content properties. Width is 100%, position absolute, and the top is 50%, transform is translate minus 50 px, text alignment is center, and then color. Now refresh Google Chrome. Now you can see design your dinner is in center. So again I also change content so that font size is 70 px, and the margin top is 80 pixel, And the content, I also change the paragraph. So the margin is 20 pixel auto, and the font width is 100, and the line height is 20 pixel. So again refresh. Now you can see size of design container is increased. Now I want to add another div and make a button. So this is div, and inside this div I want to add another button. So this is my button, and the type is, you can see the button and watch more. So this is my button. So now you can see, again I want to make another button and make the name subscribe. Now you can see watch now and subscribe button is shown to us. Again I also want to change the button property. So width is 200 pixel and the padding is 15 pixel, 0 text aligned is center, and margin is 20 pixel, 10 pixel. So the border, border radius is 25 pixel. The font weight is bold. So again, border radius, you can see the border only 2 pixel and a solid. So and also the color added. So the background color is transparent and the color is, so again the cursor is pointer so that it will point at the button. So again you can see refresh your page and you can see all the changes has been you, so you can see the watch more and subscribe button is shown to you. So this is, I also added spain so that it will look good. So spain also change the properties. Background color is this, and the height is 100% and the width is 100%, and the border radius is 25 pixel. Again position is absolute and left 0 and the bottom is 0. Again I also change. So again, position is relative. Now save your file and refresh. Now you can see watch more and subscribe button is shown. So again, I overlap the hidden. So now you can see everything is okay. So again, so this is my, so again, I want to make some more changes. So now you can see the button color is changed. So Z index is -1 and transition is 0.5 seconds, so that it will be move, take the time 0.5 seconds. So this is my hover so that it will move from, the width is 100%. So the button hover is, again the border radius, so only borders, none. And now you can see watch more and subscribe is moving, taking 0.5 seconds. Subscribe my channel for more such type of videos.